Good morning, one and all present over here. Myself, Advait Khalil from Standard 6B. Today I am presenting here today's day and date. Today's day is Thursday and today's date is 2nd January 2025. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Good morning everyone present over here. My name is Venu Gajanan Redkar from class 6B. Today I am going to tell today's good thought. Today's good thought is in a gentle way you can shake the world. Oh God by Mahatma Gandhi. This quote reminds us that introverts with their quiet determination can create profound changes in the world. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shraddha from grade 6A.
Good morning everyone, my name is Tanishka Tushar, standard 6A.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ramila from 6A.
Good morning everyone, my name is Margaret from 6B. Can you guess what is the importance of the day?
Yes, today is the World Introvert Day.
Why do we celebrate World Introvert Day? It is observed every year on 2nd January and their purpose to raise awareness about introverts and celebrate introverts' unique qualities.
Do you know who are introverts?
Introverts often enjoy by spending time alone.
They are known for being reflective, focused and good listeners.
Can you tell name of some famous introverts?
Mahatma Gandhi,
Albert Einstein,
J.K. Rowling, Elon Musk and many more.
What units